Welcome back to JoeBob's garage. Let's get in here and get on this. All right, this is gonna be a good one. There we go with that again. All right, what we're doing this time is I made some mistakes last time. I put on the forward controls just right out of the box like they were. And I didn't get on the bike and put the exhaust on it and all that stuff. And apparently I had it way too close. Needs to be further out. My leg was way too close to the exhaust pipe. So I've got to extend them out. Another good thing about extending them out is because in Florida, it's so hot that when you're sitting at a red light for too long, you can start smelling hair burning. So come on, green light. So having them spread out, see, a little further, it gives you a little air coming up in there. So, oh, and when I spread them out, they're too flexible. So I need to support them and build the linkage. So let's get on this. All right, let me show you what I got going on. I'm gonna extend this side out about 1 inch. This one needs to come out about 2 inches. That's to get my leg around these exhaust without burning all the hair off my legs. All right, here's my plan to fix this, because having this longer, it's gonna have some flex in it. So what I'm planning on doing is taking this 3/8 stock here, and I'm gonna cut me a piece that goes right underneath these other mounts. About that long right there. And I'm gonna weld that here. I'm gonna drill 2 holes in it. I'm gonna weld 2 nuts on the top of it. So that'll be attached to the frame with 2 nuts here. Then with the rest of this stock, I'm gonna build a piece that comes from the tubing down across here and up with the 2 holes in it, so I can run a couple bolts in it to hold this on. The tubing I got, it's some pretty heavy duty stuff. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut a section of the tube right through here so that's in 2 pieces. It's welded to the outside piece, but this inside piece is just a spacer. That way when I pull the awl thread out, this whole, and undo these 2 bolts, this whole thing should drop down away from the bike. And I think having that underneath welded up out here is gonna keep this from flexing. So that's my plan, so let's let her rip, potato chip. Or whatever, you know, catchphrase you can think of there. All right, let's do it. Giant! Yeah, you gotta love Florida. Yeah. It's about 9,000 degrees Fahrenheit. And it's pouring down raining. Oh yeah. Find some shit thrown in here. What the hell? All right, back to the bike. Well, I'll tell you, I'm not going to win any awards on this welding, but I think it's good and strong. I think that'll hold it. It'll look good when I finish it up. Let's put this thing in. Here goes the two brackets. This is the gear lever. I extended it up 1.5 inches. That's the brake lever. That's been extended up 2 inches. Alright, now I'm gonna fill these holes. These holes here, I'm gonna fill these up and weld these up. I'll probably just tack weld them, put everything in place and make sure that they fit before I do the final welds. everybody make sure you hit the like button, share, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. All that stuff helps show the algorithm for YouTube that you appreciate the channel. And the more they see people doing that, the more they will recommend it to others, and that'll help get the channel off the ground. So I really need your help, and I appreciate it. All right, guys, see you next time.